Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a drugstore back to school makeup look. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown. I'm just giving my brows a bit more of a defined shape, and then I'm just blending it in by brushing the spoolie end of the pencil through my brows. Next, I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brows with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5. This really helps me to achieve a nice arch and cover any straggling hairs. After that, I'm setting the brows in place with the City Color Be Bold Brow Gel. Moving on to face makeup, I'm first priming with the Maybelline Hydrate Master Prime, and then with a damp e.l.f. sponge, I'm pouncing on the City Color Be Nude Foundation in the shade 101. This foundation is a favorite of mine because it gives a really beautiful dewy finish that looks like my skin. Next up, I'm applying the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer in the shade Fair 10 In underneath my eyes to cover my dark circles and to the center of my face to highlight. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. I'm setting that in place by patting on some loose finishing powder by Maybelline, using a damp Real Techniques mini sponge. Then, for contour, highlight, and blush, I'm dipping into the Pixi Beauty Summer Glow palette, which is perfect for an all-year-round sun-kissed look. I'm picking up this bronzy shade and applying that to the hollows of my cheeks, around my hairline, and along the jawline to add some dimension to the face. Next, I'm highlighting the highest points of my face with this shimmery shade, and then I'm picking up this blush and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good. Now I'm spritzing on the Pixi Glow Mist to melt all of the powders for a smooth, luminous complexion. After that, I'm priming the eyelids with some Plouise base, and then I'm using the Pixi Beauty Shade Sticks as eyeshadow. First, I'm applying the shade Matte Cocoa to the outer V of my eye and going back and forth between blending it with a Morphe GH37 brush, applying more and blending again. Next, I'm adding the shade Copper Glaze to the lid, and after blending that, I'm sweeping on some of the contour shade from the Summer Glow palette to my crease and lower lash line. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. For my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm adding some of the highlighter shade that we used earlier, and then it's time for lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Pixi Volumizing Mascara. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Faux Mink Demi Wispies, which are really natural looking, and I'm applying those with the Kiss Lash Applicator. Next, I'm tightlining with the Endless Silky Eye Pen and applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm glossing it up with the Pixi Liplift Max in the shade Sweet Nectar. And that completes this back-to-school makeup look. Will you be returning to school or taking classes online instead? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!